Yeah, hi, this video is for Jason. Jason, it's Market FMAV. Okay, just to let you know, I'll just turn that up a bit for you. Okay, so this is your part from your jukebox. I can't keep answering emails because obviously I've got quite a lot of work to do, and if I'm answering emails all the time, I just can't get that work done for you or anyone else. So that's the reason I haven't replied, because I'm doing this and I want to get it to the post office for you. But okay, so basically I've taken the unit apart. I've checked it over, I've checked the micro switch, that's all in order, given that a clean. I've checked the cogs, I've given the cogs a good clean for you, and I've looked over the board. I can see no dry joints on that board. Caps look nice and okay, you know, not swollen up ready to explode. So I've replaced the laser, and obviously it's working as it should be now. You know, the condition of the overall unit, you know, you got to bear in mind that these units are like 25-30 years old, so they, you know, do have a bit of wear on them. But in all honesty, this is, you know, it's not that bad. It's relatively clean. It doesn't look like it's had a hard life. Let me just turn that down, because it's it doesn't look like it's had a real hard life. So, you know, there's no reason why this shouldn't last at least another, you know, 8 to 10 years with the work I've done on that. But again, you know, it is just hard to estimate how long these things last. You know, I've got customers, you know, that I've repaired units for 13 years ago and they're still going. So, you know, but yeah, it's all working as it should be. So I'll get that out in the post today. That'll be sent signed for delivery, 24 hour, is it? You know, next day delivery. So yeah, that's going to go out now. So I'm going to wrap that up and get it bagged up for you, and I'll send that out, and I'll upload this video for you. Thanks again, really appreciate your business.